Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to get the show started?
No introduction necessary. Baby, dim the lights for me real quick.
Hey beauties, it's your girl Daisy. If you're new, welcome to my channel, and if you're not, thanks for returning. You know I love you guys. So today I have a Wet Kiss body wave wig. I'm going to show you guys how I styled it and also a review on this hair. So if you're interested, make sure you stay tuned. Here's the box I received this wig in. It's from Wet Kiss Hair. They sent me a wig cap, which is nude, thank God, and not black. They sent an adjustable strap as well as a satin little bag you can put the hair in to protect the hair, which I like. And here is the hair straight out the packaging. I really like the curl pattern, and I just want to show you guys how it looks, you know, when you first receive it, if you plan on purchasing it. Let's see here. This lace looks really good. It's so much parting space. It's free part. It's not like most wigs where it's just like 2 inches on the side and about 4 inches in the front. I believe it's 13 by 4 parting space. I'm not for sure. I'm going to have everything in the description box, but it comes pre-plugged with 2 adjustable straps and about 4 little combs. So first I want to show you guys the stocking cap method. I have the little stocking cap they gave me, and I'm going to use my Gots to Be Glued to actually lay that down and put my blow dryer on cool settings for about 30 seconds. And then I'm just going to cut off the excess stocking cap. Once I complete that step, I go in with another layer of Gots to Be Glued and make sure that the stocking cap is laid properly and nothing is sticking up. And then I go back in with the blow dryer for about 30 seconds again, just to make sure everything is flat. Last but not least, we go in with some pressed powder, whatever matches your skin tone. I'm using MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. And now it's time to lay this bad boy. So I'm just using Gots to Be Glued in the yellow battle and just putting a nice little coat on there. I don't use 2 coats, I just do about 1, and that lasts me for a couple of days. If you're looking to have like a stronger hold, put like 2 layers or use like some Ghost Bond glue or Bold Hold. I'm not sure about Bold Hold yet. I never tried it, but I heard a lot of people like it. To make sure that the wig stays in place, I'm going to go back in with that blow dryer for about 30 seconds to a minute and make sure everything is secure. Now I have my makeup on, looking like a regular person. It's time to style this hair, so I have to use my wax stick. If you are doing like some straight hair or some curly hair, or some hair just needs to be flat in the front, make sure you get a wax stick because it just does miracle. Like, just watch this. The hair is just gonna melt and just lay out flat and flawlessly. So I'm going to spray some argan oil all over the hair to give it some luster and to use as a heat protector. And I'm also going to cut some layers in front of this hair to give me like a nice layered look, as you guys seen in the beginning, and just add a few little curls. I'm just using like a curling iron from the drugstore. I believe it's from Target or Walmart. It's a Revlon curler. I love Revlon curlers. They just get the hair just right. And don't forget to get you some clips. If you don't have these silver clips, use some bobby pins. Just hold the curls in place, at least till you're done curling your hair, and it's going to make a huge difference in making your curls last all day. Now, I couldn't decide if I wanted to do a half up, half down do, or just keep it the way I had it with the layered curls. So I did want to at least show you guys both and make sure you guys have options if you like this style or the other style. Tell me what you guys like the most in the comment section below. Now, this wig is so beautiful. It's perfect for the summer, as you guys can see. It's burgundy, it's a 99J color. It's 180% density and it's 22 inches. It's like perfect length. What I did was just style it real quick, put a few baby hairs as you guys can see. And then I cut some layers in the front to give me like some cute little curls. And here is as long as the hair is. It's 22 inches like I said, but it's really long. It reminds me of like 24 inches for real. And I'm 5'8", so it comes down to about my waist, which is really cool. One thing I like about this hair is it's really soft. I could just run my fingers through it. It was really easy to curl. I didn't have to use small sections. You know, sometimes to get the hair super sleek, you have to use really small sections to curl your hair or straighten it. And I didn't have to do that. I used bigger sections and it still looks good. It was like great out the box. It came pre-plucked, but I did do a little bit more plucking because I like my stuff to just be customized daisy style, you know. But overall, this wig is bomb. I would highly suggest it. It is affordable. It's not on the cheaper side like some other videos I show you guys, but it is, let me tell you the exact amount. So it's $231 with the 180% density, 22 inches. If that's a little pricey for you, you can save some money by lowering the density if you can stand it, and get some shorter inches because it's already long. So it depends on what you like. Another way you can save money is some coupon codes I have for you. I'm going to be looking down below on my computer so I can give you the exact amount. It's going to be $10 off for a set of 2. So if you buy 2 wigs, I believe it's set 02. I'm going to have all this information in the description box below just so you guys know. And you get $20 off for a set of 2 with set 03. And all orders over $100 get $5 off with the code LOVEMOM. They have a coupon code for Mother's Day. And let's see, they have a 613 special deal, $12 off with the code 613 sale. And what else? Yeah, so if you register and subscribe on their website, you get $3 off and double points with the code WEGKISS. So there's many ways you can save money so you can make the wig a little bit cheaper. You know, we like to save these coins, but there's plenty of options. As far as shedding, no problem with that. And doesn't tangle. I really love this hair. And oh, I didn't bleach these knots. Let me give you a close-up so you can see. I just put some swoops, you know how I do. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget, I'm going to be having a wig giveaway coming up. So make sure you guys get in that comment section below and let me know what you think about this wig. Would you wear this color? Is it working for me? You know, I always like to hear your feedback. And if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And hit that subscribe button below if you're not already subscribed. And thank you guys so much for watching.